Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngifuna ukungena kwi-interview ka-Eden McCarthy ayenze nobaba wakhe a-couple of weeks ago. Ziningi izinto azikhulumile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or about i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthe ama-2K azotake over. Uyambona ukuthi une-believe overall ukuthi bona bangakwazi uku-change izinto, especially yena ne-generation yakhe. Uyambona ukuthi i-youngstar leli bafethu eline-confidence. Uyasho ukuthi ama-youngsters lawa akhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or abanawo bane-fighting spirit ngempela, yibo bazokwazi noma ngithi bangakwazi uku-change izinto overall laphana. And then mention ama-players, ushilo ukuthi lama-players lawa afikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs azokwazi ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-balance of ama-player amasha angakabi ne-experience that much, asafuna ukubuilda noma ukwakha igama lawo, and then nama-players ane-experience azokwazi ukubasiza kakhulu. Funny enough, wonke ama-player amaningi uma ukhuluma ngama-player amasha, abantu abaningi bamenshina uMayo. Bayasho ukuthi uzobasiza uMayo ngezinto eziningi, even nangama-assist uzobasiza, because kusho ukuthi uMayo bayamazi ukuthi ulethani overall lapha nethimini bafethu, nanokuthi u-creative kangakanani. And then mebuzwa nge-national team izinto ezinjalo, uyasho ukuthi hayi i-chance if the chance is presented kuye uzoyithatha. Uyafuna vele ukudlalela i-national team or a-represent i-national team. Well, abanye abantu ngiyazi ukuthi bangathi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, Hugo Broos ngeke ambheke nokumbheka, but already sekanayo i-experience ku-COSAFA, I think naku-Cheno. So umdlali oqala isizini kahle kakhulu. I thought uzoba khona fighting for, let's say, ukuthi kubafana bamselect. Unfortunately-ke walimala ngesikhathi esi-wrong bafethu, la bekaza kahle kakhulu. But ukhulume nangokuthi ukudlala against uGrobler kunzima kangakanani. Uyasho ukuthi ku-tough ukudlala against uGrobler because of uyi-top striker overall laphana. So mebuzwa vele ngobabakhe, uyasho ukuthi okay, ubabakhe yena umbona as ubabakhe, akambone as i-legend, and washo ukuthi iy'ndlela zabo afani ziwu-two, indlela yakhe and then ubabakhe bekanaso isikhathi sakhe. Unfortunately-ke isikhathi sakhe sesiphelile, isikhathi sakababakhe sokuyisikhathi sakhe overall manje, ukuthi ama-youngsters kumele a-take over overall. Uthi I think ikhona okunye akushilo bafethu oku-serious ukuthi after 10 years ufuna ukubona kuphi, uthi ufuna ukuzibona edlala ku-Champions League. Kusho ukuthi umdlali lona bafethu o-expect ukuthi i-career yakhe ibe serious, and uyambona ukuthi is way matured. Uyafuna uku-achieve into ey'nkulu because ubale nanokuthi obani abadlali laphana a-close to bona abam-advisayo laphana, bambonisa izinto from o-Peterson, o-Keegan Dolly, even uFoster lo dlala lena bafethu. Udlala kuphi uFoster? Ku-Burnley laphana eNgilandi. So unabantu around yena abakwaziyo, abazomsiza noma abam-advisayo ukuthi afike le esicongweni bafethu la afisa ukufika khona overall. So umdlalo fully focus, ombonayo ukuthi ngempela uyafuna ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Funny enough, into ayishilo uthi abakhulumi no-Dr. Kaizer Motaung. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle u-Dr. Kaizer Motaung in a way seka-retire-ile ku-Kaizer Chiefs at all, akasekho involved. Uthathe iy'ngane zakhe wazinika i-responsibility ukuthi balide ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but at the same time bafethu, I mean i-reasonable lento le. Why? Because I mean una-81, sekakhulile bafethu. Bambona kuma-Brian alapho nalapho, but nje abantu akhuluma nabo enye i-management, like let's say uKaizer Motaung, uJunior laphana overall. So nabanye mhlawumbe oBobby nabanye abantu aba-around ababasizayo, but-ke kubonakala ngathi akasekho heavily involved ulokhu njani. I-legend, i-icon, umuntu owaqala i-Kaizer Chiefs, lento eyiyo namhlanje sekathathe i-back seat, uyekela iy'ngane zakhe zilide i-Kaizer Chiefs. Through i-leadership yey'ngane zakhe, obviously-ke izinto azikho that stable, maybe ivoice yakhe beyidingeka, but unfortunately-ke he can't lead. At 31 ngeke a-lead, he can't really lead that much at the age of 81, man. Why ngithi 31? At the age of 31 he can't really do much laphana. But uthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs bona as ama-youngsters, they will fight and make sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeka phezulu. Even nawe uyasho ukuthi ubabakho u-achieve izinto eziningi nokuwina ama-cup competitions, izinto ezinjalo, but uyasho ukuthi yena ufuna menikwa ama-opportunity ngempela uyafuna ukuthi abe bigger and better than ubabakhe, or lezi zinto lezi ezi-achieve ubabakhe overall laphana egaming. Sikhumbule ukuthi something odd, well ngithi odd because ayenzeki lento le everyday, ukuthi umdlali last season bedlala ku-DDC team, siyazi ukuthi bamnikile i-first team contract, but-ke beka ku-DDC team, batravelile baye eNetherlands. Netherlands uma befika already meyidlala i-attracted interest laphana eNetherlands, ama-team beseqala ukubuza ngaye, and vele yena is 21 or so. So isikhathi sisamvumela ukuthi aye e-Europe aqale laphana eNetherlands and then maybe work more, make his way up there to the top of the European football, because unama-plans ukuthi ufuna ukudlala kuphi e-Europe or naku-Champions League. Well, it's not easy to get there fully focused, but-ke uma umlalela i-reasoning yakhe, ubona izinto, uzwa izinto azishoyo umfowethu, uyabona ukuthi izinto ngempela angakwazi ukuzi-achieve overall laphana. So ama-advise, ubabakhe ukhulume into ebalulekile ukuthi umu-advise kanjani. Uyasho ukuthi each and every game thola ukuthi abadlalanga kahle, even noma edlale kahle uyamu-advise ukuthi okay, bangenza kanje nakanje ukuthi a-improve umfana, because at the end of the day udlalela njalo uku-improve, hhayi ukuthi igame yakhe ivele ibe perfect. Uyamncoma la amncoma khona, but uhlezi am-guide ukuthi angenza izinto kanje nakanje nakanje. So zonke lezo zinto lezo, I think u-privileged ukuba nobaba odlalile ku-professional setup and ewazi ibhola in and out. I mean, okunye kubalulekile actually ukuthi laphana e-high school usacrifice into ey'ningi, like ukuthi mebakhiphe nabangani bakhe makuthiwa akiwe le kiwe le, but-ke yena beka-focus ebholeni ukuthi a-achieve i-professional level laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Like enough-ke wakwazi ukufika naye, amagama akhe uyasho ezinye izinto azishilo ukuthi it's very important ukuthi usurround-a nobani, especially kuya ngokuthi ufunani nawe as umuntu. And don't let i-surrounding yakho ikudefine wena ukuthi ubani. Be yourself at all times. So amagama strong kakhulu lawa bafethu, important from i-youngster overall laphana. Umdlali engimfisela okuhle kuphela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona le ndaba le ama-2K, ukuthi ama-2K awazange ukuzodlala overall, yeah, somehow uyabhilivela kuma-2K ukuthi ama-2K ane-spirit esi-different, ane-confidence, ane-arrogance, angakwazi ngempela ukushintsha izinto, whether kusethimini ku-Kaizer Chiefs or whether ku-national team. But-ke nje uyabhilivela ku-new generation of i-talent laphana. So ukuthi alandele football, uyasho ukuthi yena bedlalela ama-cricket nama-athletics nezinye iy'poti, but i-football iqala ukuyilandela mejoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, because uthi wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs ena-14. Akwawukuthi kudala bafethu lo muntu loyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, iminyaka ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akavelanga anikwa lento le, but ubabakhe-ke bekumele a-explain ukuthi kube ne-nepotism, ufike kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then wa-explain-a the way a-explain-a ngakhona ukuthi ufike kanje nakanje nakanje. And then he spoke about ukuthi Orlando Pirates beyine-interest, and then uke wakhuluma nanabe-Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi but kumfana wakho wathi yena ufuna i-Kaizer Chiefs nje kuphela, and lucky enough i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke wakwazi laphana ukulokhu njani ukuthola i-contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akhulele khona. Waze wafika ku-DDC team, kula uthi for the first time ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi azotraina ne-senior team bekana-17. So that was a long time ago bafowethu, ukuthi uthi betraina noTumele Ngune baze badlala ama-2 friendlies laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi obviously-ke beka naleyo nto leyo ukuthi udlala nabantu kudala bekababukela, but-ke umake sure ukuthi okay, leyo nto leyo ithi ingamcindezeli kakhulu overall. Yeah, I mean, ubabakhe uzochaza nanokuthi naye explained ukuthi it was nice njalo ubabakhe memthatha ezingane encane bafowethu, ehamba naye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because i-environment nama-facilities bezi-different zonke lezi zinto lezi. Uthi ubabakhe wamthatha amisa ku-Morocco Swallows, wezwa ukuthi ayi akufani-ke la, ama-toilet wakhona, i-setup, zonke lezi zinto lezi azifani, but makaye ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi even i-smell sakhona bowuzwa na ukuthi si-right, i-surrounding yakhona. I mean, it shows baningi abantu abake badlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bebanokuthatha iy'ngane zabo baye laphana eNaturen, but ukuthi baphinde babuye laphana eNaturen, I mean, it's a beautiful thing to see. I-360 kahle kahle ukuthi okay, ungaba around, ukhulele ku-environment or ku-setup, or ube around yona leyo environment for some time, but musukhulile ukwazi ukuphinde futhi udlale kuleyo environment yet again. Into same thing noKhanyisa Maye, ubabakhe bekamthatha amuse laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, manje sedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ukudila nama-defeats overall, uthi bazozama laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi balethe ushintsho overall, because of i-Kaizer Chiefs iyawadinga ama-cup bafowethu. Uthi bona njalo makuqala isizini or bazozama ukuthi benze better than last season. Ngakhohlwa ukuthi last season bawina i-Nedbank Cup, this season abakawini lutho, and sebaba-knock out ku-Carling knockout, but bekhuluma before badlala i-Carling knockout laphana. So mawubheka overall i-Kaizer Chiefs obviously njenge-big team every season they try to go everything on offer, but that's not possible ngoba mawubheka i-team kumele ibe war balance bafethu, abakabi ne-starting 11 sabo. You don't even know ukuthi kuzoqala bani kule game yabo leya kusasa, zonke lezi zinto lezo. So we just have to wait and see overall nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazoshape izinto kanjani this season. But yeah, simfisela inhlanhla umfana ukuthi izinto zakhe zimhambele kahle, abe right nje overall. Ngithanda i-mentality yakhe le acabanga ngakhona, indlela arizina ngayo, nanokuthi ufiselani yena as an individual, because if noma akhuluma nabangani ukuthi yena ube nabangani bakhe abaziyo for isikhathi eside bafethu, yila bangani laba bakhona even today. And then-ke bakhona let's say nabanye-ke bebhola abam-advise-ayo behind closed doors, izinto ezinjalo a-close nabo, but-ke has tried to keep abangani bakhe laba abazi from kudala ukuthi kube yibo, because baningi abantu abazoba attracted to lento le ayiyo, or njengoba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafuna u-association because of ku-Kaizer Chiefs, not directly yena. But yeah, ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu kwamanje, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.